Cough that keeps coming back? Ayurveda has a simple yet powerful solution. Take 10-12 batasha. Place 1 or 2 black pepper seeds inside each. Warm them lightly on a pan with a touch of ghee until they start melting slightly. In Ayurveda, black pepper is kapha nashak. It clears phlegm, reduces throat inflammation, and improves digestion. Ghee soothes dryness and calms irritation in chronic cough. Consume 1 to 2 of these sweet drops daily for 10-12 days. It helps in conditions like laryngitis, pharyngitis, dry cough, and chest congestion.
Stop Google symptoms. Google Ask Ayurveda.